Yes, my darling, how are you? Okay. Oh, I see. Welcome home. Welcome to Nigeria. Oh, you're with her? Oh, quite interesting. I can't wait to meet you people. Yes, my love. I love you. Yes, it's Odonwodo. See, as a matter of fact, you need to understand that the business, yes, the business cannot be completed without. Oh, I will have to call you back. My beautiful wife just came in. Look at you.
You're looking so good.
How was your flight?
It was nice. I really missed you.
I missed you too, girl. Please, oh,
See
man.
ya.
Queen, how are you?
I'm so fine.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Please have a sip. Let's have a sip. Pop-ups, the champagne. So tell me about it. How are the girls?
They're really doing so well. Really doing well. Especially she.
Oh, you don't say.
She's really bringing back returns so well.
Okay. Nice. Good job. Good job. I'm proud of you, okay?
She's really bringing back returns.
Yeah. So tell me, what did you get me?
A lot.
Oh, yeah.
We brought a lot of goodies. Don't worry, we'll get into the room.
So nice to hear.
Yeah.
What up? Wow. Bad manners. Cheers.
Oh my god, sorry.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
I missed you so much.
Missed you too. So well, seriously. Oh my god, you really missed you. So, what's up? we need more laborers here. This farm is big. Still, we can't finish it alone.
My daughter, you are saying the truth. So that we don't have any money, and you know that.
But yes, sister, it's like what you said is true too. Because me, I'm tired. The thing there is that if you work, if you are tired, we now go back home. We cannot come and kill ourselves.
We are going to finish this work today.
Finish what? I'm not working again. No. Sister, just work. If you are tired, we now go.
Mama, come to think of it, Papa is supposed to be here with us now. Even when his keke is at home, he didn't go anywhere. He's supposed to come here with us.
Sister, tell her, he's her husband.
That's true. Your father is a lazy man. I don't know what to do again.
Even though, I wonder what you saw in that man that made you marry himself.
Shut up! That's the father you're talking to like that. And he's also my husband. Mind yourself, Choma.
In fact, Mama, I'm tired.
What did you say?
Tomorrow is Saturday, we'll continue.
Even my mama
My
own
only
is
want
that.
to eat the food from this farm, yet will not be complete to work it.
Choma, come back here.
Mama, me, I'm hungry. I'm leaving.
Come, let's go and cook.
Let's go. Mama, I'm
let's
hungry.
go.
You
You
come,
will
you
not
coming
Hold
back.
on, man. Choma, come back here.
Mama, continue working. It's your farm.
Hold on, man. Choma, come back here.
After all, it's your farm.
Hey.
So don't worry, definitely, I'm going to visit you. It's I just came into the country, not no, I've not forgotten you, seriously. I can't, why would I do that? Okay, don't worry, I'll call you back. Babe, I'll call you back now. I'm doing wrong. Come on. Gaba, I'll be needing some girls to go back with me to London. Make sure they are in good shape. No, they have shape, they have different, you know what I want.
I know what you like.
Yeah, you really do know what I want. Please don't disappoint me, okay? Okay, no problem. Just arrange the girls for me. Don't waste time. Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, Sandra. Okay, don't worry.
Now you be the look you, baby my love Faraya. I want boys to enjoy you, baby come and shine la. Money will fed the baby my love Marasa. Money I, oh you show this cat about the code. Show me your body now. Sexy with that dinner. Myself who I quick, baby cat about the code. Show me your body now. Sexy with that dinner. Myself who I quick. Oh yeah, she gotta get my love Faraya. Oh yeah, shake your body for me. My love Faraya, shawty shake. Oh yeah, scatter body for me. Money show it, ole gaga 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 show it, ole oh yeah, roll it, ole gaga show it, ole gaga show it, ole gaga show it. I will be
It's mentor on the beat.
Yeah. From what I'm seeing, your girls are good. I need them. I want to take them to London so as to advance their career.
Wow. Nice approach. So which company is that?
Black Culture Empire London. We take well-trained models and they enrich their lives.
Sounds very nice. Well, as you can see, we just finished doing our rehearsal. Okay? I guess I will see you by 7 p.m. tomorrow so we can throw more lights on this.
Alright. That would be nice. I will see you tomorrow in the office.
Okay? See you tomorrow then.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
One person, I need one person. Hold road, Keke. Hold road. Are you going? Are you going? Hold road, hold road, hold road, hold road. One person, one person, one person, one person, one person. Are you going? Okay, you're not going. What of you? Are you going? Hold road, one person. Oh, madam, are you going? Yes, hold road. Enter, Oga, shift for her. Yeah, enter. But let's just get one person, one more person. Hold road. Hold road, are you going? Hold road. One person, just one person. Hold road. Hey! No passengers. Let's go, let's go. We will carry them from the road. Your money? Okay. Madam, give me your money.
Okay, don't worry. When we reach that place, I go pay you.
What kind of nonsense is this? I don't carry credit. You pay me before I leave. One person.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How was your studies today?
It was fine.
Okay. What of your brother and your sister?
They are in Mama's shop. I will join them later.
Yes. Then make sure you eat before joining them.
But you didn't go to work today.
Oh, I went to work. It's just that my keke was giving problems, so I dropped it with the mechanic. They just said, let me come and rest before picking it up.
Okay, Papa, enjoy yourself.
Join me.
No,
eat.
Papa, you know I don't like corn.
And make sure you eat before going.
That's why I came home. Yes. Okay.
Here are the girls.
Okay. Yes, you're welcome. Please have a seat. Thank you. Once again, welcome to the world of Lady Rihanna.
Thank you.
Alright, you called me Ma before.
Yeah.
Good. Don't call me Ma, please. I'm just a little girl whom the Lord God has blessed with the works of his hands. Okay? Alright.
These are my girls, one of the best in the house of gold model.
Okay?
Lisa, please reclaim yourself for this.
Wow.
Ada?
That's good.
And Sandra.
Very good.
Sharon.
Wow. So what do you think? Do you have anything to say? Okay. Once again, welcome to my world.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, so what do you get to drink?
Just you do. I don't know about my girls.
Sema. Okay, Kaba, get them something to drink.
Alright.
Okay, so tell me more about the House of Gold models.
Okay. House of Gold model is doing very well. As you can see, my girls, they are all intact and they can give you what you want. They will never let you down.
Wow. I want to assure you that I will give in my best to make these girls become stars. You understand? I'm going to take it up on me to make sure they excel in their career. Okay?
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. So enjoy yourself, okay?
Okay?
Thank you.
Oh my God, my heart is broken. Who can console me? My secret tears. Oh my God, I am in pain. Who can console me? My secret tears. My tears in the dark. I am broken. Who can console me? My secret tears. I am in pain. I am in sorrow. Who can console me? My secret tears.
Chama, what is your face like this?
Mama, I'm fine. Those are enough for me.
Go and take some more drugs and get yourself some drugs.
Mama, you know I don't like drugs, eh? Don't worry, I'll be fine. Shit, I want to be fine.
Okay. Sister? Please come and help me and do my assignment.
I'll do it at home, keep it.
Please help her now.
Mama, I'll do it at home now. There's still time.
Please now.
What if I did not come here? When we get home, I will do it now.
You know, the teacher told me that first thing tomorrow morning I should submit it.
There's still time. I will finish it.
You have not told me what is wrong with you.
My daughter, across the seas, here you seek for greener pastures. Abhors so many days. I, Ikenga, will eliminate all of them. The venom of a viper can never do anything to the back of a tortoise. Yes. Get a pot of life for me. Drop it.
Wise one. I also want the girls to strike any of my girls that refuses to pay me my money in full. And I also want Ikenga to strike any of them dead that refuses to obey me.
Ikenga! Strike to death any of her girls that refuses paying her money. Get a sacrificial item for me! Oruwo, Ikenga Oruwo. Oruwo, Migeme Jeburuchi. 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 My daughter, it is done. Go. Go. Go and do your work. Go. Go.
Thank you, wise one.
ladies, permit me to welcome each and every one of you right here to the fancy, successful, glitterati world of Don Dada. You're welcome.
Welcome once more, girls. The 6 of us will be leaving for London. Yeah. So just prepare your mind for this great trip.
Ma, I really admire your personality. I'm always looking forward to being like you. But for the first time, you have made a mistake. I know that Don is not coming with us, so we are 5 here, not 6.
Lady Rihanna never makes a mistake. This is Tasha. Hello, everybody.
Hi. Hi.
And good afternoon to Don Dada.
Hey, how you doing?
She's one of my best models. She just came in to visit her parents and we've all been living together. Okay? So, Lady Rihanna doesn't make a mistake. Oh.
There's something I want to tell you.
Go ahead, I'm all ears.
Daddy, next week I'll be going to UK, yeah, London, for my modeling career. Very soon you'll be answering Papa Model. I'm so happy. Hey.
Who is planning this with you?
Dad, I told you now, Lady Rihanna, she's taking us to UK for a modeling career.
Whoever that is planning this with you will contend with my wrath. You are not going anywhere. What happens to your academics? You need to finish your education before you step out from this place. What can you be doing in London? You are going for whatever you do without education will be half-baked. You cannot succeed. To qualify, you have to be educated so you can express yourself in the public. Can I address a crowd now? You want to be a model? Get inside. You're not going anywhere.
Daddy, but I finished with my secondary school now. I want to be a model now.
You finished secondary school?
Yes, Daddy.
Can you defend yourself now? That you have finished secondary school is not a guarantee. You are not yet educated. You are a semi-illiterate.
But Daddy...
Listen, let me tell you. The person that is trying to take you to overseas now wants to take you to go there for prostitution.
No, Daddy. It's not for prostitution.
Shut up! You didn't go there. The people they sent there before, have you seen any of them? You are going to put yourself in extra bondage. I am your father. I will not tell you anything that will not profit you. So you will not travel. Get into the house.
But Daddy, this is my life we're talking about. This is my life.
Will you shut up? What do you know about life? If you know something about life, you should have known that for you to succeed in everything you do, you need education to succeed and progress.
Daddy, please now.
Listen, let me tell you. They are taking you to London for prostitution.
Prostitution? No, Daddy, we are going for modeling, not prostitution.
Keep quiet. You're semi-illiterate. Get into the house.
Daddy, please now.
Forget about this and get away from my face.
Daddy, please now.
Sharon!
Yes, Daddy.
Want to see me mad?
No, sir.
Now get inside the house.
Daddy.
Get inside the house! Yes, now. When I grab one,
This life is full of mystery. Yeah. Things we do is loaded with mystery. Yeah. Be careful whom you trust. Be careful where you go. Be careful in the things you do.
Papa, thank you. Papa, thank you. Papa, you are coming by apple for me.
Oh, you've not paid, though. You and your friend.
Pay?
You and your friend, you've not paid me. So you pay me. Okay, you not told me to buy apple for you. Eh? Is it not the money I make that I use in buying apple? I feed you morning, afternoon, and night. You are telling me.
Papa, I know you are joking. Papa,
I'm not joking.
Let's go.
I'm not joking. You people should pay me. What do you mean?
Papa, that's why you never joke.
People are not going anywhere. You have to pay me money.
Papa, should pay you.
Yes, let me ask you. Don't I feed you morning, afternoon, and night? So I pay.
Which guy came down? You pay my papa. Papa, calm down. Papa, calm down.
Okay.
Papa, leave me.
In the school there.
Papa, leave me.
In the school there, when you enter taxi, don't you pay? You enter taxi, don't you pay? You enter Okada, you pay. You enter taxi,
Is to be fun. Life is a game. Life is a puzzle. Brother, play wisely. Life is not what you think it is. Other glitters are not do something meant to destroy you. I'm only my color. Life is not what you think it is. Other glitters are not do something meant to destroy you. I'm only my color.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Some consignments are here.
Oh yes, I know. I know why you are here.
Yes.
Yeah, business as usual.
So, sir, please, I don't want my boss, Don Dada, to know about this.
No. Who is going to tell him?
You know, this is a business between me and you.
Yes, I know for sure. In fact, I cross my heart. Just trust me.
I have to take my leave.
Just be a good boy you are.
Always. As long as you keep cooperating, this business will keep going on.
I will.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you.
It's all right.
Wow. Nice business.
Very. Baby, go to the room and wait for me. I am coming. Okay?
Life is not what you think it is. Other glitters are not good. Something meant to destroy you. Abone my color. Life is not what you think it is. Other glitters are not good. Something meant to destroy you. Abone my color. Life is not what you think it is. Other glitters are not good.
Kaba. Look around. Come on. I saw Kaba going inside early this morning. You saw Kaba entering my room this morning. For God's sake, I sent Kaba to deliver some goods. My clients have been calling me since morning, saying that the goods have not gotten to them. See, those goods worth millions of dollars. So where is it? What am I
close my eyes and open it and you are still there, I'll throw you out of this house. I will disown you. Come back. Will you come back?
Mama, what's going on? This one you are pushing your daughter this afternoon like a cat around in this compound. All this way.
Can you imagine this stupid girl? This stubborn girl, very stubborn, very disobedient. Huh? She cannot do anything for me. Simply because I asked her to wash my clothes. She refused. That's why she ran out and she must do it.
Chama, why now? Don't you know it is your duty to always do as your father has instructed you?
Oh, you've heard it. Tell her. Tell her, let me ask you. Do you disobey your parents?
I do obey them, sir.
Do you wash clothes for your father?
I do wash his clothes.
So anything your father asks you to do, you always do it.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard it? Choma, have you heard it? You've heard it. Because you think that I am maltreating you. Have you heard it? Now, get inside. Go and finish your work. Go and finish your work quick. Go and finish it up. Come and finish your work.
First, I help your father.
As I go. Come and finish it quick. Come. You must wash this food. Go inside.
I am
Go inside.
So, honey, how are we going to celebrate my baby?
You still have time to plan. Is it not in 2 weeks' time?
2 weeks. Come on, you're just 14 days from now. I think we should start making plans.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Where would you like to celebrate your birthday?
Okay. I think I would prefer Club 45 degree. Yes.
Oh wow.
Yes.
My baby sure knows how to choose.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll start making plans. But it's really sad that some of my friends won't be there. Those of my big friends, you know. So some of them traveled out. But then, no problem. I will invite those ones around. I will try to convince them to come.
It's okay.
Yeah.
That's no problem. My friends will as well be around that day. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you.
I love you too, baby. Anything for my baby.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I have been abused by my own. I have been molested by my own. Who will I tell? Where will I run to? Who will console me? No one wants to hear me. Nobody cares to ask. how I'm faring. I am broken. Oh my God, my heart is broken. Who console me? My secret. Oh my God, I am in pains. Who console me? My secret. My tears in the dark. I am broken. Who console me? My secret. I am in pains. I am in sorrow. Who console me? My secret.
Choma, you're not eating.
Mom, I'm fine. Nothing is wrong with me. I'm not hungry.
But you said that you're hungry before. Now you say you're not hungry again. Hope there's no problem.
No, Mom, there's no problem.
What is your problem? What is your problem? She told you before she was hungry. Now she says she's not hungry and she doesn't want to eat food. And you are bothering her. Eh? You want to force her to eat. Eh? Why are you drinking Panadol on another man's headache? In a war. This is one I want also. Eh? Leave her now.
Nah, I'm only worried about her not eating.
Mama, Choma is not feeling fine. And besides, Papa beat her.
Yeah. Papa Choma, did you beat her?
Me? Beat Choma? Choma, did I beat you? No, tell them. If I beat you, tell them. Did I beat you, Choma?
No, Mama, Papa did not beat me. I only misplaced my money.
You've seen it. I did not beat her. She misplaced her money. That is what is bothering her. I did not beat her. And this Alama wants to say that I beat her. Eh?
But that's what my friend told me.
That I beat Choma.
Yes.
Good.
It's okay now. Leave her.
Let me beat you. Look, it's because
it's okay.
I'll stop you from going there. That's your bad friends.
It's okay, calm down. Leave her. Leave her.
Mommy.
The next time I see you there, I will cut off your head. Nonsense.
Nah, it's okay now. You want to kill her?
In fact, I'm not eating again. Carry your food. Get away with your food. I'm not eating again.
Nah, it's not like that now. Oh, eat your food. Pico, eat your food.
Gaba, so you think you can run?
sorry. Please forgive my mistakes.
Did I just hear you say? Did I just hear you say forgive you? Did I just hear that? Oh, Gaba, you've forgotten so soon that men seem to be fervent in places, forgetting that only a journey can take them to their destination. Did I just hear you say forgive?
My lady, please give me 3 days. I can run around and pay back your money. Please forgive me.
Forgiveness is between you and God. My job is to arrange the meeting.
Yes. See, I don't have good shoes to wear for a birthday party tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened to the ones you have?
The one I have is not going to suit my dress at all.
Oh, really? Yes. Well, you can use any of my own.
Visit, thank you. I love you so much.
I love you too, baby. Time to sleep. Oh my God. Is it Chukwu again?
That guy, better leave him.
He will not be disturbing everybody with his music.
You've seen it.
Can you imagine? Oh God. This is late. It's time to sleep. Yet he's still playing music. Oh God, I don't need to rest. Good night.
A word is enough for a wife. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. Life is a game. Life is a puzzle. Brother, play wisely. Life is not what you think it is. Other thinkers are not doing something are meant to destroy you. I'm on my color. Life is not what you think it is. Other thinkers are not doing something.
My husband.
Huh?
Let me go and see Mahmoud. I'm coming back.
You've not paid me. Pay me my money.
Am I supposed to pay you? Is it not my husband keke? I'm not supposed to pay you
It's your husband, Keke, but you have to pay. This is business now. This is not a house matter. Look, have you forgotten that it's business we are doing? This is business.
My husband, I know say you're joking.
No, wait. See, listen. They say business prosper, business grow, business succeed when family members pay. So pay me. So you have to pay me. Am I not taking care of this?
Stop this. Stop.
You have to pay me. You must pay me.
My husband.
Yes, you must pay
You're
me.
not supposed to be doing this now.
Why shouldn't I do it? You have to pay me. You will pay me. Not pay me. This is business. We're husband and wife. When we get to the house, we do husband and wife. But here, I'm a keke driver, you're a passenger, and you must pay. So pay me.
Okay, no problem. I will pay you.
Pay me.
Don't say you're not eating today.
I'm not eating.
No,
when I get to the house,
take your
you
money.
should not give me. I'll say I will eat. But you must pay me.
I will not give you food.
You will give me food, though. That food is my right, though. And so whether you give me or not give me, I will eat it. It's my right. I bought it, though.
You're not going to eat, though.
You will give me the food.
You're not going to eat,
I
though.
must eat. Whether
You
you
will
like
eat.
it or not, I will eat it by force. Whether you like or not, I will eat it by force.
No food for you.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Am I running charity organization here? Because you are my wife, you will not pay. You will not pay because you are my wife. This is business. Business is business. Yes, you must pay. Even if you are my children, you must pay. Even if you are my father, you must pay. You are my mother, you must pay. This is my business. I know that business. Tell me say you will not pay. For what?
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go now. Once I spell Lisa, you will cut the game. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this? Now let's go. Let's do this together.
Yes. Come on now. Yes.
Lisa! Hey baby, you don't say the wrong thing.
Maybe you will not understand.
Understand? Don't make me understand. Make me understand that I've been wasting my time with you all this while. Make me understand that you have been pretending to love me.
Stop it! You know I'm not pretending. I can never pretend to love you. Just that.
Just like what? Come on, tell me. Just like what?
Maybe I never know you are going to throw this big question on me today. And I'll be traveling soon.
What? You never told me about any traveling. Traveling to where? Where are you traveling to?
Yeah, baby. I've been looking for the opportunity to tell you this. I was told 2 days ago that a company based in London will be taking me and one other person to London as their brand ambassador and to advance our career.
Come on, babe. Baby, you know I love you. You know I love you so much. You know I want us to get married. I want us to watch our baby grow. Why can't we do this?
Baby, I can't accept your ring and keep you waiting. I don't even know when I'm coming back. Hey, baby.
You shouldn't have walked away. What was that mess for? Traveling just collect the ring and as before traveling, now you messed the whole thing up.
It is not that easy. Okay. What if he gets married before I return? What do you think he can wait for me?
Sister, not after collecting the ring.
Ring?
Yes.
Ring is just an ornament. I'm so scared at so many possibilities.
It's okay, sister. It's okay. Stop trying.
I love you so.
I know, sister. It's okay.
I'm just confused. I don't know what to do.
This life is full of mystery. Yeah. Things we do is loaded with mystery. Yeah. Be careful whom you trust. Be careful where you go. Be careful in the things you do.
Good luck.
I can't give my change, I beg.
Which change?
My change now.
I told you 500 naira.
I can't see tell me at 300. Who no get wahala for here? I can't give my change, I beg.
Let me tell you.
Who no get
Who
wahala?
told you 300 naira?
No be you. 300 naira.
Have you forgotten where I carry you from? I told you that your money is 500 naira.
Where you carry you?
Are you mad?
Look,
what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I told you. Look, don't try me. Don't try me. Don't feel that I'm nobody because I am driving keke. If you try me, I will beat you black and purple just now. Me not fit anything. Me not fit anything. Mama, you are very stupid. You leak what? You leak my area. Try it, your area. Move your area. What do you mean my area? Oh, what do you mean? You go try what? Your area. I am area father. You cannot do anything. If you touch this tire, if you touch that, I'm Pama. And I will deal with you now. What do you mean?
Just be my just be my thing. I mean.
Okay, you want?
Listen, what's the meaning of this? Read it! What's the meaning of this?
Baby, you are so sweet. The last time we met, I've never seen anyone so sweet than you. The last time you made love to me, you were so sweet. I've not met a man that is sweeter than you. What is this?
You asking me? You asking me? Princess, do you know who sent this text to me?
Who?
This is my best friend, Trisha. So you have been cheating on me with my best friend? Hey, Princely!
Please, I can explain.
What can you explain? Then you claim you love me!
I can explain.
You can explain? What can you explain? I said I'm traveling. You couldn't even wait for my flight to move. And you are cheating already with my best friend.
Now that you have said it, you are the cause of the problem. You are the architect of your own problem. You are the cause of it. You embarrassed me. So because of the nonsense traveling, that is why you rejected my ring in front of our guests.
Shut up! You are very stupid for saying that. You are so stupid. So because of this girl, you cannot raise your voice on me. You cannot shout. Okay, fine. Now I've seen how much you love me. But it's okay. You can go on to all.
Baby, please, I love you. I still love you, baby.
Excuse me.
Listen, let me tell you. The Bible says, honor your father and your mother, that your days will be long on the earth that God has given to you.
Papa, the same Bible says that the gift of a man maketh way for him. I must go.
You are stupid, you don't have any gift. You have no gift without academics. Until you finish your education, you have no gift.
Oh God, oh God,
Now listen, all of you. You are going to shave the hairs on your pubic part.
Shave our pubic hairs?
Yes. You are going to take an oath with it. That that you're not going to betray your boss when you get overseas, and you must obey her instructions.
Lady Rihanna, but you didn't tell us all this.
It's part of it. You only told us that we are coming here for protection against plane crash.
Yes.
It's part of it. This is one of the things you must do.
Now listen, let me tell you guys. This is still part of it. Now move it before I invoke the wrath of the gods on you! Move it! Shut up!
Be careful whom you trust. Be careful where you go. Be careful in the things you do. All that glitters are not gold. The world is evil.
I still do not understand why they have to shave the hairs on our private parts. Seriously, I'm scared. Like, I don't know, they will request for all this.
And the worst of all is that they have collected our phones. And my daddy warned me about this, but I didn't listen.
Something tells me that that lady is up to something. Exactly.
Seriously, I'm having bad feeling about all this thing. Seriously. They say that I will always come first.
Well, let's just pray that nothing bad happens.
The world is evil. Sister, life is not what you think it is. All that glitters are not good. Something's meant to destroy you. Abone my color. Life is not what you think it is. All that glitters are not good. Something's meant to destroy you. Abone my color. Life is not what you think it is. All that glitters are not good. Something's meant to destroy you. Abone my color.
Mama, this hoe is heavy. Choma, the hoe you are using before is not heavy. You will tell me what is wrong with you. Mama, I'm not feeling too well. I told you I don't like farm work. You still tell me what is wrong with you.
Mama.
Yes?
You get what I want to tell you.
What is it, my daughter?
But Mama, I'm tired. Mama, it's just that since 1 week now, sister have been behaving strange and I don't understand her.
How do you mean?
I don't know. I don't know what to say, but...
My friend, will you shut up your mouth and walk? Why are you shutting her up? Allow her to talk now. Why is she wasting her strength in talking instead of walking? Are you walking? Eh? Why are you shutting her up? You're going to finish this work today, whether you people like it or not, oh. Mama, like I told you, this thing is heavy, and I'm not feeling too well.
Mama, I've told you since 1 week now, sister have been behaving so strange. If you like, you can check her eye.
Choma, is that true? I don't know what she's saying. Better know.
It's better. Better I don't know what she's saying. Sister, are you well at all? Mama, hey. I'm not sure sister is here.
Choma, what is wrong with you?
I've been telling you I'm not feeling fine. I don't know if you want me to die before you know I'm not feeling fine.
Wait. Choma. Ma, what is wrong with you?
Mama, I told you I'm not feeling fine. And you know I don't like farm work. I want to go home.
Wait, come here. Come here. Come.
Why are you pressing my breast now?
I'm your mother, wait.
Mama, what is it now?
Choma, are you pregnant?
Pregnant, Mama? Mama, don't say that again, no. I told you I'm not feeling fine. The only thing you could say is, am I pregnant? Mama, I'm not pregnant. I'm not feeling fine. I don't like farm work. I want to
know what I'm thinking, no, Choma.
Mama, what are you thinking? What are you thinking?
I will kill you, oh.
Mama, don't say that again, no. Don't say it again. I told you I'm not feeling fine. The only thing you could say is, am I pregnant? Don't say it again, no. In fact, I'm leaving this farm.
Let me be what I'm suspecting, no.
What are you suspecting? See, I'm leaving this place. I'm not working again.
Choma, come back here.
Leave me alone.
Choma, come back here.
Instead of you to buy drugs for me, you're telling me I'm pregnant.
Mama, she's not pregnant though. Maybe it's just an ordinary man.
Shut up! What do you know? If I hear your voice again, I'm going to beat the hell out of you.
If you say, Mama, you hear me? I'm going.
I am broken.
Person cannot come under you just because of family. Future
I
will
am
not
broken. Who will I
You're
tell? Where will I go? Who will I share my experience, brother? I am. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Oh no, ebewemo.
Choma. What is wrong with you?
Papa, I don't know.
You don't know. And you are vomiting. And you are telling me you don't know. What is wrong with you? Choma. Answer me. Huh? Very sincere with me. When last did you see your masts? Your period? Tell me.
For the past 3 months.
3 months. 1, 2, 3 good months. Choma, you have told me, Ibu. That means you've been sleeping around with men.
Sleeping with men? Oh, Papa, you're the only one that I've been sleeping with.
You are pregnant. You are pregnant. Yes, that means you are pregnant. And there's something.
Hey.
I'll give you money. You go to Ewuzie, the chemist man. He knows what to do. But let it be secret between me and you. I hope nobody knows about this. Even your mother. You've not told anybody. Good. Don't let anybody know. If you can keep this secret from me, whatever you want in this life, I will give it to you. Yes. Even if you warrant me to say that my keke, to keep you happy, I will do that. I promise you that.
Pregnancy, Papa. Hey.
It's okay. Don't get rid of it. We know how to handle it. And now,
Hey, Papa.
don't tell anybody.
Mama.
Hey! I'm finished. How can I explain that I got my daughter pregnant and I'm even about to abort it? Hey!
I have been abused by my own. I have been molested by my own. Who will I tell? Where will I run to? Who will console me? No one wants to hear me. Nobody cares to ask how I'm faring. I am broken.
Mr. Dada, I am Mr. Johnson, the principal to the college in City here. I learned you are the person taking girls to abroad. My daughter Sharon is one of the girls, presumably, that will be traveling. I am not in support of her traveling. I want her not to go. That's why I came to ask you please to drop her for me. She's still in the college. She's in the secondary school. I have some vision for her which doesn't include traveling abroad now. Could you please release her to me? That's why I'm here.
Well, I'll look into it.
You don't sound convincing. You are just saying you will look into it. Is it a promise?
Like I said, I'll look into it.
I wanted an assurance. I mean, since you are not giving me an assurance, I think I had to go and get the police. Yes, since I've known you, I'll go and get the police to make you do it for me. I don't want my daughter to go abroad, yes.
Did you just say the police?
Yes, I came for peace. I came peacefully and you are not attending to me the correct way. I'll go and get the police.
Now what am I paying you fools for? Take this man out of my house.
Move it! You are going to release my daughter to me. Yes, you release my daughter.
Well, I know something must have come across.
Yes, do you have my drugs?
Yes.
Don't blackjack me. I can see you trust no one.
I do, but when it comes to this one, I don't trust them.
Well, you had a man. Give him his money. And I have the drugs now. Well, there's something else we need to talk about. As a matter of fact, Now put it down. Put it down! On your knees. I said on your knees! Eyes closed. Say your last prayers.
Joma, I want you to tell me the truth. Is it you fell down on the assembly ground and you were carried out to the school clinic? It is the doctor that confided in me and confirmed that you carried out an abortion. Joma, why? Who did this?
Sir, if I should tell you anything, my father will kill me.
Your father?
Yes.
Well, Joma, you are not better than a dead person. Because you've lost all. You lost your education.
Yes.
You've lost your baby. You have also lost your womb.
My womb? Oh,
yes, yes. you were keeping this secret, why did you keep it from everybody? Not even your mother? Not even your school mates? Nobody. You were keeping it an evil secret that eventually destroyed you.
Oh God. My father has finally destroyed my life.
With your father?
Yes.
Is he the person responsible? Jesus Christ.
It all started one afternoon.
Now, you are growing into womanhood. The only person that can touch you is me. What happened just now? If you open your mouth and tell anybody, if it's your mother, I'll kill you. I'll kill you and bury you and nobody will know about it. Come back here! Come back here! I say come back here! Look!
Papa, please!
If I close my eyes and open it and you are still there, I'll throw you out of this house. I will disown you. Don't you know it is your duty to always do as your father has instructed you? Oh! You've heard it! Tell her! When last did you see your missus?
For the past 3 months.
You are pregnant. You are pregnant. I'll give you one. You go to Ewuzie, the chemist man. He knows what to do. But let it be secret between me and you. German.
Sir, please. Sir, I beg you in the name of God. Please, sir. Sir, please help me. I cannot lose everything, please. My education.
Jama, if the foundation is destroyed, what will the righteous do? That is Psalm 11 verse 3. In the school here, we don't harbor pregnant women. And we don't harbor abortionists. Because the Bible also says that in 1 Corinthians 15:33 that evil communication corrupts good manners. And if we keep you here, the other students will be corrupt. So we must see it as a way of life. I'm sorry.
Oh my God, my heart is broken.
Oh God,
who console me, my secret tears. Oh my God, I am in pains. Who console me, my secret tears. My tears in the dark, I am broken. Who console me, my secret tears. I am in pains.
Just so you know, the reason I agreed to meet you here is because you made mention of Lisa. And anything apart from that, this meeting is over.
Thank you for accepting to meet me here. Actually, Lisa gave me a number and she's in serious trouble.
Trouble?
Yeah.
What kind of trouble? Tell me.
Her so-called madam, Lady Rihanna, is planning to take her to London for prostitution.
I knew it! I said it! I told her, but she wouldn't listen to me.
Gosh, in less than 24 hours now, they'll be leaving for London. And right now, I don't even know how to get in contact with the other girl's parents because nobody gave to me. It's not going. So I don't know what to do. I don't know. If you have anybody to call, please just call. Just.
As the matter of fact, I do. I do have somebody to call.
What is it? You're supposed to be in the school. What are you doing here? Huh? You're supposed to be in the school. What are you doing here?
What is it? Stop.
Talk to me. Hey, my beautiful one. I don't say man, I don't marama. Talk to me. What is it? Keo. Talk to me.
I've been expelled in school.
No, this is not possible. I'm not owing the school. I paid your school fees, all your dues, I've paid, so they cannot drive out of the school. Is the principal mad? Is he stupid? I'm going to see him. Eh? Yes. Is he mad? Is he stupid?
You did everything, Papa.
Eh?
You paid my school fees. You did what you're supposed to do. Oh, Mama, you ruined my life.
What are you talking? Are you crazy? What has come over you?
You took away my virginity.
What are you talking about?
You got me pregnant.
What is wrong with you?
And at the same time, you forced me into an abortion. Now
what has come over you? What is wrong with you? What are you saying? Are you insane?
I'm not a gay woman.
Hey, look at what your daughter is saying.
Papa Choma.
I'm going to you, Papa.
I don't understand your daughter anymore. Eh?
Papa Choma, what is she talking about?
I don't know. Do I know what she's saying?
No. There was a time you said that you scared me with my life. I lost my word.
Papa Choma. Papa Choma, kill me.
I did not do anything.
Your husband here. This beast. This hypocrite here has been raping me in this house.
Hey! Shimo! Papa Choma! Hey!
What is it?
Papa Choma! You have been raping my daughter!
I don't know what she's talking about.
Papa Choma! So this is what you have been doing with my daughter?
Doing what? Doing what? Your daughter is not
You forced me into abortion! And now I'm not a gay woman!
No!
I hate you so much! You ruined my life! My career!
Hey!
What am I living for?
What are you talking about? I don't know, Choma, what has come over you?
But Choma, how come you never told me about this?
Shut up! Where were you? Where were you when I needed you? Where were you when I needed someone to talk to? All you know is Choma do this, Choma do that. You never gave me a listening ear. I was one of you. You never listened to me. You have never given me attention.
She doesn't know what she's saying.
Papa Choma!
Let me tell you. Let me tell you something. Come in now.
Please forgive me.
Oh my God, my heart is broken. Who will console me? My secret tears. Oh my God, I am in pain. Who will console me? My secret tears. My tears in the dark. I am broken. Who will console me? My secret.
Yeah, I'll make the transfer. Okay, let me call you back. South, what is the meaning of this and who the fuck is this?
Boy, it's not that you want to see that it's very important.
What can I do for you?
I'm here to see my fiancé.
Your fiancé is not here.
What do you mean? I know she's here. You think I don't know what you guys have been doing here? Taking all our girls abroad for prostitution? You think I don't know? Now go in there and get my fiancée Lisa.
Did you say this way they carry that toothpick? Now get the hell out of my house. Say get the hell out of my house.
Out! I'm not talking with you guys! Out! I'm not talking with you!
Be careful whom you trust. Be careful where you go. Be careful in the things you do. All that glitters are not gold. The world is evil.
It's not what I think.
Yes. Maybe it's not what she seduced me. It's not what you think.
Madam, so what? Madam, please. Oh, shut up! Maybe I go out there taking risking my own life just for the betterment of the both of us. You are here cheating on me.
No, I'm not cheating on you. You see, listen to me, everything is fine. I can explain and I'll make everything right again.
This life is full of mystery. This is the end of my mistakes. Everywhere more, everywhere more. Everywhere more, everywhere more. Everywhere more, everywhere more.
Mama Choma! What happened? What happened to my daughter? What happened to my daughter?
Officer, that's her. That's the woman trafficker. This lady is responsible for depopulating my school, taking all my girls abroad for prostitution.
What is happening here?
Get her arrested.
Aisha, what is it?
Wicked
Woman, you're under arrest for human trafficking. You have to remain silent. Whatever you say or do here will be used against you in the court of law. Now, where are the other girls?
Where is my daughter?
Where is my fiance?
Where are they? Hey! What is it? What is it? Now move! Come out!
Honey, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I don't know what came over me. I should have listened to you. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too, baby. Come on. I love you so much.
Daddy, please forgive me. I'm very sorry for not listening to you.
No need for that, Sharon. Experience is the best teacher. At least you have learned your lesson from this.
Please, Daddy.
Get up, let's go.
Thank you, Daddy.
This life is full of mystery. This is the end of my mistakes. Ebewemo. Etiwemo.
I don't know. Woman, where is your husband? Officer, this man is a pedophile. He's also guilty of incest. He impregnated the daughter, Joma, my student, and gave her money to do abortion, in the course of which she died. Arrest him. Enough of this! Enough of this! What kind of deformation of character is this? This is false allegation. How can I do such thing to my own daughter? Eh? Look, you better be careful. Don't play with me.
I regret ever having you as a father.
Shut up your mouth.
I don't know you can do this to us, but you got us your children.
Mr. Mekania, you are under arrest. You have to be silent For whatever you say or do here will be used against you in the court of law. Boys, you get arrested.
Now move. I said move. Life is full of mystery, temptations and trials. Do not succumb to it. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Oh no, ebewemo. Etiwemo. Akwariri ebewemo.
Guys, how far now? I been a guys, you been a lick me up now. What's it so? I been make a order more. Bama!
Bros, no bother yourself. No bother yourself. You
been lick me up now. What's it so?
No bother yourself.
Bro, I say like this now, no joy. Joy no day, bro. Joy no day. Yeah, imagine how they take ladder. How come that I take ladder? Thank God say no ladder is joy.
If not be God, defend their corner my mother. Defend their corner name. I don't understand. You shout joy, no day, no joy. What did they solve? And now talk to me now. Guy, una fuck up. Two of una fuck up.
How we fuck up, bro?
How una go there for kapara like this? Ordinary dandada.
This ain't they pay me like this.
Ordinary dandada enter kapan.
Bro, this ain't they pay me like this.
When they need our boss, una live like that. You cannot know the work.
Yes. Bro, they pay me. They pay me.
Man, no phone they know there well. No phone now. Oh wait, who be this dandada?
4 in 1.
Una no fit throw kana.
4 in 1. I won't contain through car. You supposed to thank God say they no ladder.
Because I know they there, guy.
Me no get joy, bro. Me no get joy. I supposed to action for them, but 4 in 2 again.
Hello. Where are you? I'm at Ewuzie Junction. There is a bar there, so meet me there. Yeah, I want you to come right now. Yes. Okay, I'll be waiting. Okay.
Guys, see, we are here to marry. So, we don't forget this one. We are order more meat, more flex. Now, more flex. Everywhere good.
Please! Don't help us!
I said freeze! That's this one freeze and you are still smoking cigar? Come on!
You're under arrest for drug pushing and illegal possession of firearms. You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say or do here will be used against you in the court of law. Boys!
Stop!
Stop there!
Now move! Stand moving! Stand up, my friend! I said stand up! Move it!
Move it! This way!
Move it!
This way!
This way!
I said move!
Now move!
Move it!
Now move! Move it! I said move! Move it!
This life is full of mystery. Yeah. Things we do is loaded with mystery. Yeah. Be careful whom you trust. Be careful where you go. Be careful in the things you do. All that glitters are not gold. The world is evil, brother. The world is evil, sister. Life is not what you think it is. All that glitters are not good. Something's meant to destroy you. Abone my color. Life is not what you think it is. All that glitters are not good. Something's meant to destroy you. Abone my color.
Life is not what you think it is. Other 3,000 not do something meant to destroy you. I'm on my color. A world is enough for a while. To be for one is to be for one. Life is a game. Life is a puzzle. Brother, play wisely. Life is not what you think it is. Other 3,000 not do something meant to destroy you. I'm on my color. Life is not what you think it is. Other 3,000 not do